Okay, let's talk about the rain. So I built one raindrop here, right here. This is inside of the symbol, the raindrop, and I built the rain falling. So this is how the rain falling. Built a motion tween with the raindrop. So it's just a little squeeze and squash. Frame 1, just the raindrop. And this is a motion tween. I just dragged it down and I squished it. And then here it hits the ground. And then it squashes. And then disappears. And on the bottom, let's go here. I'm just going to make a layer below it just so you can see what went on with. See these little lines? That way, when it hits the water, you see the raindrop swell a little bit and splatter. And you can do your own splatter. You can do this rain any way you like it. So now let's put it into, let me get the rain falling. I got to get rid of this one. So I'm going to do drop. And this is the splatter. So this is one raindrop falling, and now I'm just going to do a lot of rain. I built this one. So I've just got that raindrop, just a bunch of them falling. Same thing over and over and over again. I just dragged all these onto the stage in different layers. So now let's move this onto my stage here. So I'm going to add a cloud to the sky. Which I built. And I'm going to lock everything else but this cloud layer. Now I'm going to grab my cloud. And I'm going to do a classic tween cloud to 40 keyframe. I'm going to move the cloud so that this is where it's going to rain from. Classic tween. So here's my cloud, my guy. And now let's do some rain. And I'm going to put this in front of everything. Rain. And the rain I'm going to start when the cloud stops. So here's my cloud stopping. Here's where I'm going to put the rain. I'm going to hit an F7 key. That's going to mark it. That's an empty keyframe. So this is a full keyframe, empty keyframe. Lots of rain comes from here. And then I'm going to do another one. Rain 2. Another empty keyframe, F7. I'm going to do lots of rain there too. And let's do another one. I'm just going to duplicate this layer. Now let's play it, see what happens. Okay, so now you can do better than this. I'm doing this on the fly without a lot of work. But as you can see, each particle of this is pretty simple. And then you put them all together to make something a little more complex and a little more interesting. So that is scene 2 in a nutshell. I'm going to add sound to that this next video.